Tutorial number 21, Logging and Troubleshooting. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. Sometimes even very reliable systems fail, so do our cameras. If you face any issues with your PCO camera, we need your help to identify the source of the error. The easiest way to do this is the creation of log files, or so-called support files. The most efficient way to provide our support team with all the required information is using the logging tool. You can download the tool from our website. It's available for download in the software section. Before using this tool, close pco.camware. Then start the logging tool. Enable SDK and recorder logging and choose the interface of your camera. It is recommended to delete old log files before creating new ones. Therefore, press the Clear Log Files button to delete old content. A message box will pop up which can be answered with No. After that, open pco.camware while keeping the logging tool open and reproduce the steps which caused the error. When the problem occurred, close pco.camware. Now you can create the log file by using the Create Log File button. With the Explore Log File button, the appropriate folder will open. Please make sure that the files are not empty. All log files show a size of 0 kilobyte. You might repeat the steps mentioned above. In case you want to use pco.camware to create log files, no problem. Simply press on the question mark in the main menu. Use the drop-down menu to enable the logging and proceed to reproduce the error. You can create the support files with the help of the menu available through the question mark as well. The created support file can be uploaded into a support ticket at our homepage within the software section. We will take care of your concern immediately. This was all about logging. Thanks for watching.